Hi, what's up? Hello. Welcome to the channel. I'll be reviewing a popular soapy called Genesis. Let's get to it. As you can see, guys, the tension continues in the Sedibeng family with Ubongo. So Ubongo has arrived to actually hear the side of the story that Maruna has to tell him. So Ubongo is asking Maruna why did she have to go to a live a live video on social platforms to actually expose Ubongo for exposing or leaking the album that Maruna has been making along with Ubongo. So there's been a lot of tension, but Maruna is bringing up feelings that he loves Bongo with all her heart, and Ubongo also said the same thing. Ukuthi he used to love Maruna too, but at the same time, as you can see, Bafethu Maruna is not okay about the whole situation. She is not okay. Akekho right lo muntu nabona ebusweni Bafethu. There's too much tension regarding the album and whatsoever. So I guess Ubongo wanted answers, you understand. Ngalena ke uWendy ke uyamdefenda ngoMaruna. Wendy has been defending Maruna obviously because Maruna is her daughter, yabona, regarding the career, regarding what she did too. But also I feel like Wendy is also disappointed in what Maruna did. As much as she's defending her, but she's also disappointed in what she did. So umathandana ke bafethu Ishmael ke Nobuhle are calling each other at night before they sleep. But there's a catch over here because on the call, they first spoke and then obviously they dropped the call. And then never ubuye wafona futhi u-Ishmael ngalena unobuhle naye ufuna ukuba ne-tattoo ka-Ishmael, guys. So ubuhle also wants to have a tattoo, but ke Ishmael reprimanded ubuhle not to get a tattoo because he doesn't want trouble. So along the call unobuhle was getting too excited up until Felicia came. When Felicia came, she asked to go to Banakrumana and then what's unand and whatsoever. As you can see, guys, Honobutle is sneaking out to Ishmael because Ishmael was like, I was Lala na, I was on comforter. He needs Nobutle's company. Nobutle was like, no, kill Nyang, don't lock the door. I am coming. Then off she went. So, Bafethu, the beef continues, the tension continues because Ubongo is actually crashing out about in terms of like Maruna thinking that he leaked the album because, guys, Ubongo is the producer of the album. I don't think Bongo did not leak the album, but Maruna is thinking nah, this guy actually wanted to retaliate in some form and whatsoever, so he leaked the album and whatsoever. So Bongo went for clarification and Maruna changed her behavior. So ngiyabona bafethu omathandana lana bayaganga. Unobuhle has to go back to her roommates in the morning. Right now these people are actually affectionate and physical and whatsoever. So manje they trying to like check the coast so that no one finds them or no one catches them. So yabona ke bafethu unobuhle he's sneaking out to a room. Yabona she's looking if anyone is like looking at her, yabona, before she even reaches her room. But the domestic worker in her family caught Unobuhle sneaking to her room. And the worst part is she caught Unobuhle barefoot. She was holding her sandals with her hands, barefoot. And Unobuhle is saying, DJ Sbu said, another DJ said, nah, we should walk barefoot around nature and hug the trees. And I was like, I wasn't born yesterday, my child. You are hugging trees. Kanjani manje? Oh, there were trees you are hugging barefoot in the morning like this. Bo. So bafethu laba ubhuti nosisi laba, it's like cat and dog, they're always fighting. So uWendy wakes up Zakaria and tells Zakaria to actually tell her face to face ukuthi ubethini laphana kwi-apartment kaMaruna regarding daddy issues kaMaruna, regarding that baba kaMaruna is colored. So now Zakaria is like, you Maruna have daddy issues, you understand. And manje uZakaria is not serious, guys. Zakaria usefuna uFelicia manje amtshela uWendy ukuthi hayibo wena unje, Felicia is rich, Felicia is not your type, ngiyaza kuqoma uFelicia and whatsoever. On the other side, guys, Ubongo is in studio, as you can see, yabona, and then avakashele uFelicia umama wakhe. And then uFelicia had to tell Ubongo the truth ukuthi iGenesis, the boardroom, wants Ubongo suspended with immediate effect. with immediate effect. Ubonko is crashing out to his mom. How can Genesis suspend him and whatsoever? So Felicia manje is trying to console Ubonko, tell Ubonko ukuthi, no man, calm down. She has it under control. You understand that she must calm down. He must not crash out and whatsoever. He has it under control. So there's a bond bafethu lana between uMpumi noZakaria. uMpumi uhleli nomalume wakhe uZakaria. They talking about uMpumi wanting to be a singer when she was old, you understand? Now Mpumi is telling Zakaria ukuthi, we don't always get what we always want, uncle. And then Zakaria is like, no, that's what your mother says, but Zakaria is leaving. So before Zakaria left, Mpumi had a song for Zakaria. You understand? The song that she has been dreaming about finally was exposed and was sang ngayisingisiyabaleka bafethu uyiculela uZakaria ingoma yabona. And while she was singing for Zakaria, uWendy pulled up on the other side, peeking about the connection that she has with the uncle singing the song. Why is Uncle Zakaria, guys, was very happy for Mpumi, but on the other side bafethu uWendy wasn't feeling the song. And then ngalena ke bafethu uAusi approaches uIshmael ngamashidu, ufuna ushintsha amashidu uAusi. Ishmael umtshela ukuthi hayi man, amashidu ama-right, uthi na ngeke ukwazi ungitshela lokho uAusi, yabo. So uAusi is telling uIshmael ukuthi, mfana, you have a long way to go, you are young, we don't have plan B, they don't have plan B, this is their only Ishmael is the only thing that he can do to sing, and Ausi is the only thing that she can do to actually clean. So Ishmael mustn't get distracted because he has a long way to go. Ausi maruna ke bafethu approach uFelicia. But this was a risk, honestly, because Felicia is angry at Maruna after everything that has been happening, trying to seduce Ubonko, also the life, you understand? So obviously Felicia is defending Ubonko because Ubonko is her son, you get me? Because I can see Ubonko was sitting inside studio, preparing for Maruna's album, producing Maruna's album, working with Maruna Futi. Also, Felicia was the one responsible for uniting Ubonko and Maruna, even if it was hard, because Ubonko, remember guys, Ubonko did not want anything to do with Maruna, but Felicia was responsible for actually fighting for Maruna to finish her album. Yeah, bo. So Maruna came through, you understand? And then when she came through, Felicia was like, and then Maruna was like, ask Ubonko. Bonko is in trouble, guys. Bonko is in trouble. So Mpumi also unites with the mom. Uwendi, guys. Uwendi is emotional about the song that Mpumi sang for Uncle Zakaria. That song was written by Umuze Palela Uwendi. So Uwendi was supposed to be the superstar of that song. Uwendi was supposed to go perform the song. Uwendi was supposed to be the celebrity. Uwendi was supposed to be the musician with that song. It was gonna be a hit for Uwendi. But it turns out that song was Mpumi's dream, and Mpumi actually sang the song for Uncle Zakaria, the same song that Uwendi hates. So Uwendi was like, do not ever bring that song up because she hates the song. She doesn't like the song because Umuzi left Uwendi for Felicia. So Felicia and Umuzi, the late Umuzi, actually built a legacy at Genesis, of which had to be Uwendi in the picture, but unfortunately Felicia won Umuzi, and that's how Genesis was built. So she hates the song. Shubile boardroom Genesis, guys, iletha isamile lana ukuthi uFelicia must write a suspension letter for Ubonko. And Uthandi is not even feeling it. The whole boardroom is crying for their monies. They invested very hard in Genesis and for Rama artists. So Felicia is actually explaining if Ubonko has to leave Genesis, who will step up? Uthandi is like, no, Pela, maning ama producers at Genesis. It can't be Ubonko, sorry. It can't be Ubonko Pela. There are other producers at Genesis. So once they're speaking about Ubonko in a suspension, Ubonko steps in inside the room. First question he asks, Uba is Bonko, wengane kabani? Asho Bonko ukuthi he's a Thabete, he is Muzi Thabete's son, and Genesis is his legacy. The guy is not going anywhere. He is not going anywhere. So Genesis is his legacy. So you can see the shock by the board members. You can see the shock by the board members. The board members are claiming that they are disrespected. You understand? Because Ubongo is saying Genesis is his legacy. Let me know what you think is going to happen next, guys. The show keeps on elevating. I love the show very much. Let me know what you think is going to happen next. Make sure you comment, make sure you indulge, make sure you engage in the comment section. Yeah, man. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much. Real Culture loves you. Danko.